It's another day. Welcome to my channel. My name is Adija. I want to take you through my homestead, my living in the countryside life, how it looks. So it's a bright day, as you can see over there. So I want to start with cleaning my dishes. Yeah, it's just in the morning. I want to start cleaning the dishes over there. So if you are new in my channel, consider subscribing. Welcome so much to this channel, you mean a lot. And remember to hit the notification button so that when I post a video, you're the first one to be notified. Yeah guys, so road to 4,000 subscribers. Hope you are going to get motivated. Hope you are going to enjoy this vlog. Hope you are going to get inspired by my vlog for today. So if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by and supporting my content. I don't take it for granted, you guys. So yeah, before I clean the dishes, I want to start with wiping the countertops and clearing what is not necessary in the kitchen. And later on, I just want to clean that my cutlery drawer. It has been a while. You can see that mat is dirty, guys, so I just want to clean it, and I'm not going to return that mat over there, guys. Yeah, so I want to rearrange. That is my top counter, so I'm going to put all my spices there, and then I'm going to take the cutlery in another drawer for that head spices, guys. There is where I usually arrange my spices. I've put them in that top drawer because of my toddler. And now it's time to clean the dishes, you guys. You can see I had a lot of dishes in that sink. So today is on Saturday, and I just wanted to do a general cleaning to my kitchen, and then today I wanted to do the dishes myself and some clean for the house for myself. I don't usually just like leave my nanny for everything. Yeah, so I just want to clean the dishes, and then I'm going to clean my living room. And guys, I want you to leave a comment in the section box and tell me what you think about my vlogs. If you're new in this channel, I does content basically on monthly shopping hauls, cleaning, organizing, lifestyle, or making vlogs, anything to do with around our homestead. I usually do. Yeah, so if this kind of content you like, kindly stick by, and you guys, let's do this home making vlog together. So no more talking, just do what I did.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.
The countertops are clean and the dishes are well clean and the sinks are sparkly clean, guys. Yeah, so think I've done it to my best. So yeah, that is how it's looking very beautiful and very clean, you guys. Yeah, so yeah, hope you're getting motivated to clean our kitchens. And later on, I went to clean my living room. So for the living room, I'm starting with cleaning the TV area, you guys. Yeah, it's very dusty. The rains are yet, but the place is very hot and dust, so I just want to clean there. It's like I usually clean the dust thrice in a day. And later on, I went for the seats. I wanted to just organize the seats, yeah, so that it can look just well organized because it's clean, you guys. And then later I just let off the curtains, yeah, for the morning lightings, you guys. Yeah, so today I just feel motivated to clean this my home, you guys. And then I just want to wipe the tables, yeah. And later on, the living room is sparkly clean. And now guys, I want to show you how my flowers are doing at the backyard. So hope you enjoy and hope you'll subscribe. And I'm also giving you idea of making your homestead look like a beautiful home. So I'm starting that hibiscus flower there, guys. You can see it is doing amazing, guys. Yeah, It has so beautiful flowers, the beautiful color. And then like I have that my capixes tree, this kind of those soft oranges. Yeah, so I have that plant. It's bearing 3 fruits there, you guys, and I thank God. Yeah, and then guys, I have this my orange tree. It has some sickness. I had sprayed some aphids chemicals over there, but the rain just washed them away. So I'm trying to figure out what to put in that plant. And then this another beautiful flower. And then you guys, yeah, that beautiful flowers over there, guys. Yeah, so they are growing well here. And later I want to show you my kales, my kitchen garden. What is remaining is just that kale. And then I have guava tree coming up there. And then guys, I'm blessed, you guys. My banana finally it's bearing fruits there. Wow, it is the third here having sweet banana in my compound. To God, you guys, I thank God for everything. And then I have pumpkin over there. And then I have that small grafted that tree, the mango tree is very small, and you can see it is bearing some mangles, guys. Yeah, very small. And then I have that guava, giant guava from Tanzania, but I just bought it. I want to try it in our country. And then you guys, the passions are bearing fruits. You can see, just I thank God for everything. So that is how my kitchen garden having some fruits there. And then I want to show you where that pumpkin is growing from, you guys. It's growing on a high place. Yeah, so soon I'm going to have some pumpkin. And then I have this mavake mukimo plants. Those are the Kikuyu plants that make the mukimo. And later on I just fed my chickens, and then I'm going to collect some eggs. You guys just see how beautiful it is having your own compound and utilizing the smallest kitchen garden that you have to transform your home to just look like a homestead, you guys. Yeah, so thank God for every blessing in this compound, guys. Yeah, so and then I planted some snake plants there, guys. Yeah, so just want to put the egg in the fridge. Hope you're enjoying this vlog up to this far, and remember to subscribe, leave a positive comment, and tell me what you think about this my homestead, you guys. Yeah, just living off country. Yeah, and then having all those things in your compound, it's amazing, God. So I'm putting the eggs in the fridge, and later on I want to cut the meat and boil the meat, you guys, for our dinner. Yeah, so hope you have get motivation, inspired by my vlog, and you are going to leave a positive comment. Share me out if you can. Leave a positive comment, subscribe. You are just a silent follower. Just subscribe and hit that notification button so that when I post a video on Mondays and on Tuesdays and Fridays at 12 noon, you are the first one to be notified. Yeah, so guys, I just want to boil that meat, and then guys, hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Yeah, and then till the next video, bye lovelies. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye.